Here's the cowl. All the spot welds out. Let's open her up. There's typical Ford inside cowling. It's all rusted out. It's got to be replaced. Looks good up underneath the windshield wiper, but that's nasty. That all has to be replaced. Alright, so there's the clean cut. Cowling's gone. Still have to clean up the inside sheet metal that I'm going to be welding onto. I'll show you the flanging tool. It's a flanger. This thing, gotta make sure it's the right way. That's nice. Slip on, and you just kind of, you can see this or not, but I created this flange on this sheet metal. This, the flanging device goes on like this. You just press the button. Creates a nice little flange there. Let's bring it and see if it fits. This is a first fit in here. Make sure that flange goes in there, and we have a good, this camera get right. Had to cut a little piece right there so the two pieces would interlock together. So let's just see if this flange works. Oh, there you go. Got it up there. Lighting's a little bad, sorry. I'm gonna spot weld this seam about every inch, and then we'll fill in the holes in between. Come look at the seam real quick. Right here. He's gonna go bzz, bzz, bzz. Okay, let's see how that works. Okay, it's okay, trigger it. One more and I'm going to have to get the hammer out. Alright, this is the finished product. Got those seams right there. Seam right there. I had to do some That turned out pretty nice. There's the new thing, and I've welled through primer all the way around the seams where I'm going to weld. Taped it off. Next thing, we attach the cowl hood.